Hello guys and welcome back to Fuego News Central. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a great day so far, because in today's video, we're going to be talking about why Amber Heard may be getting 14 years in prison. But before we begin with today's topic, I want you all to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming uploads. But without any more interruptions, let's just go ahead and dive straight into it. It appears that fate has made up its mind to pursue Amber Heard. While the actress was the big loser in her trial against Johnny Depp, especially in terms of public opinion, we now learn that she is still in jail, but for a completely different reason. It could even result in up to 14 years in prison. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp faced off for a month and a half in a high-profile defamation trial. If both were doomed, it is the 36-year-old actress who must pay the highest fine and was ridiculed in the eyes of the majority of the public. And it appears that the young woman's problems are far from over, as the Daily Mail reports that she is facing another legal proceeding in Australia since 2015. So why bring it up now? We had not heard much about this case for years, but a source from the Australian Department of Agriculture, Water and Environment revealed that the investigation was still ongoing. Worse, Amber Heard has faced up to 14 years in prison for perjury since last year. In 2015, while filming Pirates of the Caribbean 5, There Will Be No 6 in Australia, she illegally entered the country with her two dogs, Yorkies named Pistol and Boo. Only, we found out at the end of the 2021 that she had lied, hence the perjury, about the circumstances under which her dogs would have traveled, prompting a new survey. Before delving deeper into this amusing situation, let us clarify that if the 14-year prison sentence corresponds to the maximum penalty for the offense of perjury in Australia, Amber Heard is very unlikely to be sentenced to prison. Such a long sentence, but not entirely impossible. But exactly what are we accusing him of? First, she entered Australian territory without declaring her two dogs, Pistol and Boo, to the police, customs, thus avoiding the 10-day quarantine period within the framework of the law on quarantine on biosecurity. She was first convicted of illegally importing animals in July 2015, but she avoided a $7,600 fine by pleading falsification of her travel documents the following year. But it is presumed lies to justice about his dogs that could cost him the most, Amber Heard. If she does not risk extradition, she could be arrested if she tries to enter Australian territory, dogs or no dogs. For those who are unaware, Johnny Depp has not been quiet about justice since the conclusion of his ex-trial. Wife says he will have to return to court for a case of violence which has nothing to do with Amber Heard. From 2015 to 2016, Depp and Heard were married. After 15 months of marriage, Heard filed for divorce in May 2016. She also obtained a temporary restraining order against Depp in her divorce filing, claiming that he abused her while under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Depp denied the allegations, and a $7 million out-of-court settlement was reached in August 2016. Heard stated that the money would be donated to the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. Our relationship was intensely passionate and volatile at times, but it was always bound by love. Neither party has made false accusations in order to gain financial advantage. There is never any intention of physical or emotional harm, the two assistants said at the time in a joint statement. Heard published an op-ed in the Washington Post in 2018 about her experience with domestic abuse. While she did not specifically mention Depp, many assumed the post was about her ex-husband. In 2019, Depp sued Heard for $50 million in defamation, claiming that the op-ed cost him roles in Walt Disney Pictures' Pirates of the Caribbean franchise and Warner Bros. Pictures' Fantastic Beasts series. For her part, Heard countersued Depp for $100 million. The trial began in April 2022 and ended in June 2022, when a 7-person jury comprised of 5 men and 2 women found Heard liable on all 3 counts of defamation in her lawsuit with Depp. The jury awarded Heard $15 million in compensatory and punitive damages to Depp for a total of $15 million. Depp, for his part, was found guilty by a jury of 1 count of defamation against Heard in order to pay her $2 million in compensatory damages and 0 in punitive damages for a total of $2 million. Due to Virginia's state law's punitive damages cap, Judge Penny Ascarate reduced Heard's punitive damages from $5 million to $350,000. If Heard and Depp's damages are offset, Heard must pay Depp a total of $8.35 million in damages, including the $2 million in compensatory damages he owes her. But that's all the time we have for you guys today though, so thank you all for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, then be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't already, for more awesome content like this and much more. We'll see you guys next time, but until then, take care and goodbye.